Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good dogs. Okay, let's go. Go ahead. There's chewing. Let's go. Nope, somebody stepped on it. Somebody's on it. Here, cutie. She seems so much more calm with the dragon. She seems calmer to me just with the group in general.
Oh, absolutely.
Jonah, come here.
Oh, and she's coming to you.
Yeah, that's really good. You good girl. Come here.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl. All right. Nope, nope. You know, everybody has their little thing that they do. I didn't know you did the thing until the other day, and I heard you do it. I do use that for some things.
Yeah.
Generally, my thing is the opposite. The opposite of